Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare August Smart Lock Pro and Schlage Encode Plus. The August Smart Lock Pro is known for its easy installation as it attaches to your exciting deadbolt. It offers features such as remote access and smartphone control and works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. It also supports auto locking and auto unlocking when you arrive or leave. Plus, you can create virtual keys for guests. One standout feature is the August Connect Wi-Fi bridge, which allows you to control your lock remotely. The Schlage Encode Plus offers a built-in Wi-Fi connection, meaning you don't need a separate bridge to control it remotely. It has a keypad for entry, allowing you to create access code for family and guests, and integrates with Apple HomeKit for remote control. It is compatible with Alexa, and its durable design and advanced security features make it an excellent choice for those looking for a more robust smart lock. In my opinion, the August Smart Lock Pro is a better choice for users who already have a deadbolt and want easy installation and seamless app control. On the other hand, the Schlage Encode Plus is ideal for those who prefer a built-in Wi-Fi connection and a keypad for added convenience and security. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.